Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel after the intro because this video took a lot of effort. And if you want better energy, better health, and a stronger body, you definitely don't want to miss what's coming up next. Let's start. Number 1. Why fruits and vegetables are the key to real health. Most people want more energy, better sleep, clearer skin, sharper focus, and a stronger body, but they chase complicated solutions, expensive supplements, fancy gadgets, and extreme routines. According to Chapter 1, pages 5 to 7, the real answer is simple. Our bodies are starving for micronutrients, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and essential nutrients. Modern lifestyles make things worse. Too much processed food, too little sleep, chronic stress, no sunlight, minimal movement, hours in front of screens. We're undernourished, overstressed, and disconnected from nature. And the result? Low energy, weak immunity, bad mood, and slow metabolism. But fixing this doesn't require a complicated lifestyle. Starting with more fruits and vegetables already transforms everything. Number 2. Why improving your diet starts with micronutrients. As explained in Chapter 1, page 8, fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, essential amino acids, essential fatty acids, and antioxidants. Your bones, skin, hair, muscles, hormones, and digestion all depend on them. Your body literally rebuilds itself using the nutrients you eat. Eat poorly, you feel poorly. Eat right, and your body starts upgrading itself naturally. Number 3. Understanding vitamins, the foundation of vitality. Chapter 2, pages 10 to 13, breaks down vitamins into 2 types. First, we have fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K. These are stored in the body and are essential for skin and eye health, bone strength, hormone balance, immune function. They're found in leafy greens, whole milk, eggs, and carotenoid-rich veggies. Then we have water-soluble vitamins, B-complex and C. They're not stored, so they need daily consumption. They support energy production, brain function, healthy cells, wound healing, and strong immunity. These vitamins fuel nearly every process in your body. Number 4. Essential minerals, the building blocks of strength. Chapter 3, pages 14 to 17, explains that minerals form the structure of the body. Iron leads to oxygen transport. Calcium, bones, nerves, and muscle contraction. Magnesium, energy production. Potassium and sodium, electrical signals in muscles and heart. Without minerals, your body loses strength, balance, and vitality. Fruits and vegetables also provide essential fatty acids and amino acids, nutrients many people think only come from animal products. Nature gives you everything you need. Number 5. Fruits and vegetables that boost athletic performance. Chapter 4, pages 18 to 22, highlights foods that increase strength, endurance, and recovery. Number 1. Beets. Increase nitric oxide, leading to more oxygen to muscles, which means better performance. Number 2. Potatoes. Great carbs plus vitamin C equal clean energy after workouts. Number 3. Spinach and kale. rich in calcium, iron, and plant-based protein. Boost strength, hormones, and recovery. Number 4, mushrooms. One of the few natural sources of vitamin D. Improves immunity, testosterone, and overall athletic power. Number 5, carrots. Packed with lutein, increasing mitochondrial energy production. Number 6, apples. High in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, recovery, and immune strength. These foods are cheaper, safer, and often more effective than supplements. Number 7, superfoods for mood, beauty, immunity, and energy. Chapter 5, pages 23 to 28, reveals powerful superfoods. Number 1, broccoli and leafy greens. Improve skin elasticity, digestion, pregnancy health, nails, bones, and brain function. Number 2, cayenne pepper. Reduces inflammation, boosts digestion, suppresses appetite, which is great for weight loss, and increases testosterone. Number 3, elderberry. Fights inflammation, strengthens immunity, contains antiviral properties, and helps regulate cytokine response. Nature is literally a pharmacy, but without the side effects. Number 6, antioxidants, how they slow aging. Chapter 6, pages 29 to 30, explains the power of antioxidants. They fight free radicals, which damage skin, cells, and DNA. Free radicals cause wrinkles, aging, inflammation, and disease. Antioxidants protect your cells, reduce aging, and even help prevent long-term illnesses. Fruits and vegetables are the richest sources on Earth. Number 7, how many fruits and vegetables you actually need. Chapter 7, pages 31 to 32, makes this clear. The 5-a-day rule is arbitrary. The real rule is, the more variety, the better. Each food contains different micronutrients. Your body thrives on diversity. But too much fruit, not vegetables, can harm teeth due to acidity and sugar. Balance is key. Number 8, how to create a diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Chapter 8, pages 34 to 37, offers simple strategies. Add veggies to stews, soups, pasta, and rice. Make salads a daily side dish. Use frozen vegetables for convenience. Make smoothies, mostly vegetable, little fruit. Buy exotic fruits when possible. And prepare meals in advance. The goal is maximum variety with minimum effort. Number 9, should you take multivitamins? Chapter 9, pages 38 to 39, says multivitamins help, but they can't replace real food because food contains fiber, fats, and enzymes. Nutrients in food absorb better, and food contains compounds science hasn't discovered yet. Use supplements only as a backup. Real health comes from real food. Number 10, the final blueprint for better health. Chapter 10, pages 40 to 41, summarizes the lifestyle plan. Start your day with a smoothie. Eat as many fruits and vegetables as possible. Avoid processed foods. Use supplements only as support. Maintain this lifestyle for 30 days and use the new energy to improve every area of your life. Your body will thank you for more energy, clarity, strength, and happiness. Number 9, should you take multivitamins? Chapter 9, pages 38 to 39, says multivitamins help, but they can't replace real food because food contains fiber, fats, and enzymes. Nutrients in food absorb better, and food contains compounds science hasn't discovered yet. Use supplements only as a backup. Real health comes from real food. Number 10. The final blueprint for better health. Chapter 10, pages 40 to 41, summarizes the lifestyle plan. Start your day with a smoothie. Eat as many fruits and vegetables as possible. Avoid processed foods. Use supplements only as support. Maintain this lifestyle for 30 days and use the new energy to improve every area of your life. Your body will thank you for more energy